Welcome back. In this lesson, we're going to have another coding exercise for ternary operator. So the question is asking us that to write a program that checks if someone is eligible to vote or not. If the person is 18 years old or above, the person can vote and the person is eligible for voting. Otherwise, the person is not eligible to vote. So we want to do this with ternary operator. So previously, when we wanted to do this with if else statement, we could define one if condition. So and we would say if age is greater or equal to 18, we print eligible to vote. Otherwise, we print not eligible to vote. However, here in only one line, we can use ternary operator to do that. So the first we initialize an integer called age. Then we ask the user, we store the input, and then we initialize one string called result here. We put the condition within the parentheses saying that if we don't write if, but the statement says that age equal greater 18. So if this condition is correct, the first output will be assigned to the result. And if this condition is not correct, the second output is going to be assigned to the result. And please note that the condition is separated from the potential outcome using a question mark. And also the potential outcomes are separated from each other using a colon here. And then we are going to print the result. So let's try and see how it works. Let's try. So now it's compiling and I would say 20. It says you're eligible to vote. Why? The reason is that the condition is true, so the first outcome is assigned to result. Let's try it once more. So when we try it again, we put for example, the number 15, and it says that you're not eligible to vote. Sorry. So this is how easy this ternary operator is. Keep practicing it, and where possible, you just use this condition instead of using if else condition.